morning, I'm Tammy, and this is Chris, and we are Midwest Journeys.
And we were out on a very busy trail biking this morning. However, that is not what we're doing this video about. We're actually going to look at a week that we spent down at Thibaut Point Campground near Warsaw. So stick around and check that out. All right, so one of us did not think this trail was going to be busy on Labor Day.
That would be Chris.
Ha! So, anyhow, we are on the Rock Island Trail here just outside Lee Summit. But anyway, like I said, we were here talking about the Thibaut Point Campground, which we spent a week there in the middle of July. We were actually working down there. Tammy had...
I do home health, and my client that I watch was down there, so.
And so I can work from pretty much anywhere, so I just took my computer and I worked from the campground.
It worked out pretty well, other than there was tons and tons of bugs. There was tons of flies, there were tons of mosquitoes. Everywhere around was sold out of any type of bug.
Yeah,
fly
all the fly
craziness.
traps were sold out around town. So I don't know what was going on down there, but it was awful that week.
It was awful.
But as far as the campground goes,
it was really nice.
It really was. It's Corps of Engineers campground right there on Truman Lake, right outside Warsaw. It had, we're using our cheat sheet, but
yeah, lakefront sites, which was really nice.
We were on site 17.
And they were big sites. They weren't everybody crammed in one space.
Yeah, and there was 25 sites over 30 amp, another loop that had 14 50 amp sites, so that was the B loop, and then there was a handful of primitive sites as well.
Right.
As well as there's 3 big group campsites there, one of which I've never seen this before. It actually had individual 30 amp electric sites within the group site, which was pretty neat.
It looked really neat.
Yeah, which all those of course are closed unless they are reserved.
We also had a really nice shower house which had laundry there, since we stayed there a week, and then we're headed to our next campsite that weekend. We did laundry before we left, which was really nice.
Yeah, and there's a boat ramp there to get on Truman Lake as well. And then there's also 2 big picnic shelters that can be reserved within that campground.
Yeah, we really enjoyed our time other than the bugs.
Yeah, and we had our clam shelter, so it really wasn't too awful bad.
Right. Well, and it was rainy too, so luckily we had the clam shelter so Chris could work during the day while it was raining.
Yeah, so that definitely came in handy. Anyhow, I think we're going to get back out on the trail here and ride a little bit further. All right, one thing we did fail to mention was that we are no longer going to have the campground drive-thrus as part of the normal videos. They will be in a separate video, actually on a different channel. So we will link that video above as well as in the video description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel.
And have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next one.
Yep.